This is a quick tour of the personal brain that I use to organize and communicate knowledge about an online course I teach called Think, Know, Tools. It's not meant to be a tutorial, but just kind of a quick look at how it works. You'll notice that there are a number of nodes. There's one in the center that's red that says Think, Know, Tools on it. When I mouse over it, it says it's an online course facilitated by Howard Rheingold, and also you'll notice that these lines light up that show related nodes. The nodes are called thoughts, and these are sibling nodes that have the same parent. These are all at the top level, and each node can have parents and it can have children. So learning modules here is the child of Think, Know, Tools, and as you'll see, nodes can have many subnodes and subchildren, many thoughts and subthoughts. You can also laterally connect them, and when you mouse over them, if you've got an icon connected with it, you'll see that that icon will jump up. You'll also notice that when I mouse over, the material in the notes frame changes. And there's also another frame on the right that makes more sense when you get into it, that enables you to handle all kinds of reporting by tag or label or thought type, and enables you to attach documents and other resources to nodes. So this is also a way of collapsing and expanding information. And if I click on learning modules, we'll see all of the different learning modules for the course. So there's concept mapping. That's got a concept map in its note field. And if you notice that there's a mind map attached to it as an icon, there's personal knowledge management. And again, it's got an icon, it's got material related to it. And if you click down on these, you'll see that there are a number of different resources that are available. You'll see over here the siblings, the other nodes that have the same parent. And you'll see the previous ones that you have clicked on down here at the bottom. So if I go and click down on this for personal brain, then it's going to appear here at the bottom. So I can go back through my history. You can also use the back button to navigate. You can mouse over. If you click on a node, it becomes the central node. And some of these nodes have links, and so clicking on a node that's linked to a YouTube video will call up that YouTube video and start playing it. So there's a lot more that you can do with this, but I just want to point out that, well, for example, you can make this look like an outline instead. Let's find some place. You can also, there's no real hierarchy here. You use search a lot. So if I wanted to go to concept mapping, I would type in CO, and there's concept mapping, third one there. So I click on that. It will bring me to concept mapping, and you'll see that it's organizing this as an outline. You can also make expanded views in which you can organize things the way you'd like them to look. And then you could save that expanded view and call it test. And then I could go back to a normal view, and I could go to and expanded to the last expanded view. Okay, that's where I was there. So just to give you an idea of the different ways that you can organize and add metadata to, it's a lot about the process of thinking about where does this fit, what's it related to, what metadata do I want to associate it with, and then looking at the way you are organizing things as you're doing it.